Greetings everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a CopyTrade Investor account. So let's log in first. Once again, if you don't have an account yet, please go back to the main page and click Open Account. In a few seconds you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Your account number is reflected on the left side of your screen. Click it. Once you're on the account page, click Change Tab to become a Copy subscriber. After that, you will see a green tick showing that the account type has been changed successfully. When you go back to the accounts page, you will see a small S next to M Premium. Now click More to get to the investing page. And now when you're on the investing page, you can see all the available strategies placed by other copy masters. So the next step is subscribing to a certain master's strategy. After you choose a strategy you like the most, you will get to the strategy page. You will see the total amount of money invested to this strategy, the number of investors, the all-time profit, and the drawdown. When you scroll down, you can see the strategy description, the strategy exposition, as well as the feature helping you to calculate your profit based on trade statistics. Now click Sign and the new window will appear. First, type in the amount of money you want to invest and then choose what account would you like to link to this strategy. The next step is the subscription parameters. In this section, you can set up the profit and loss levels. This feature stops trading when losses or profit reach the certain levels established by subscriber. So that was the final step of subscription to a CopyMaster strategy. In the top right corner of your screen, you will see that your balance has changed. So that's basically it. Thank you for your attention and stay tuned for more tutorials.